Hey guys, welcome to Tech is Guru. Today we'll be learning how to view hidden conversations on Snapchat, and now let's dive right in. Now to view hidden conversations on Snapchat, first open up your Snapchat app and make sure to be logged into your account, guys. Now in order to view your hidden chats, first we'll be going to the text and messaging section of our account. So to that, at the bottom left corner of the screen you can see the messaging or the text icon. Tap over there, and over here, guys, so in order to view your hidden chat, let's go and hide a chat. So let's hide the chat with this person, and you can see, so let's hide the chat with this person, and you can see the chat and notification settings. Tap on over there, tap on the clear from chat feed and tap on clear. This way that chat will be hidden from your account on over here on the messaging section. But in order to view that hidden conversation, either you'll be required to search for that person over here, or you can just go to your contacts on your account. To do that, at the top left corner of the screen, tap on your account Bitmoji, and you'll be on this interface. Scroll down, and over here, guys, you will be able to find your friends over here. Now in order to view your hidden conversations, go to the accounts, and you can see, guys, you will be able to view that chat box over here, and you can rechat with them. And on this process, all of your hidden chats or conversation will be available over here on Snapchat. And with that being said, guys, this is how to view hidden conversations on Snapchat. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.